Time to find out what drums sound like in different parts of the house today. First room, studio. All right, room 2, upstairs hallway. Room 3, at the bottom of the stairs, down in the living room. Same room, but I moved the iPhone to the opposite end of it. See if it sounds different. Personally, my favorite was number 3, the drums at the bottom of the stairwell. I love a big, roomy drum sound, and that one just did it for me. But that being said, there are a lot of advantages to having the dryness of the studio in a recording context, because if you want, you can always go back in and add reverb later with plugins. But that being said, what did you guys think? Let me know.